Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. With recycled materials, you don't just decorate a garden. You tell a story, blending the romance of the past with the sustainability of the future. Each detail feels authentic, each corner feels alive, and the result is a soulful space that invites you to linger. Now, let's explore the most inspiring ideas to craft your own vintage rustic garden with upcycled treasures. Giving old furniture a second life. Repurpose an old wooden ladder as a vertical plant stand, letting flower pots rest on each step for a layered, whimsical look. The imperfections in the wood bring a genuine vintage soul to your space. Transform an unused dresser into a blooming garden centerpiece by filling each drawer with vibrant plants and herbs. Pull them open at different angles for a playful, rustic touch. Use a weathered bench or antique chair as a focal point by topping it with potted plants. This adds character and turns a simple object into a story-rich garden display. Creative planters from everyday items. Convert old metal watering cans into charming planters, letting flowers spill over the edges like nature reclaiming the past. Their patina makes them even more beautiful over time. Turn vintage wooden crates into stackable planters for herbs or succulents. The natural wear and tear of the wood pairs perfectly with lush green leaves. Use enamel basins, chipped teapots, or ceramic jugs as unique plant containers. Their history adds warmth, and each piece becomes a conversation starter. Rustic pathways with reclaimed materials. Lay reclaimed brick or weathered stone to create winding garden paths. The uneven textures make every step feel like a journey through time. Use old wooden planks or railway sleepers as stepping paths, adding a touch of farmhouse nostalgia to your outdoor space. Scatter crushed seashells, gravel, or pebbles sourced from past projects to fill pathway gaps. These subtle details complete the vintage look while being eco-friendly. Decorative accents with history. Hang antique lanterns from tree branches or pergolas to bring a soft, romantic glow to evenings. Their aged metal frames add instant character. Place an old bicycle in the garden and fill its basket with flowers. This simple yet striking display feels straight out of a countryside dream. Repurpose iron gates or ornate window frames as wall art or trellises for climbing plants. They create a strong vintage focal point that blends with nature. Functional pieces with a vintage twist. Turn an old washtub into a miniature water feature, letting the gentle sound of water enhance the garden's peaceful charm. Use reclaimed wood to build a rustic potting bench that serves as both a functional workspace and a decorative element. Transform an unused barrel into a rainwater collector, pairing sustainability with authentic rural style for a garden that's both beautiful and eco-conscious. And there you have it, the timeless beauty of a vintage rustic garden brought to life with creativity, heart, and the magic of recycled treasures. Each piece tells a story, and together they create a garden that feels alive, warm, and uniquely yours. If you've been inspired, don't just stop here. Keep exploring, keep creating, and let your garden evolve into a living piece of art. If you loved this rustic transformation, you won't want to miss small front yard transformations, unique fence and garden ideas to elevate curb appeal. It's packed with stunning ideas to make your entrance unforgettable. Click now and get ready to fall in love with your front yard all over again.